Hello.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Yeah, actually, I am a English learner. So, could you please help me how we can improve English with help of you? Could you be able to become my tutor to guide me how I can be a good English speaker?
I would be happy to help you practice and improve your English. We can have conversations on various topics, go over grammar, or practice specific situations. What do you find most challenging when trying to speak English?
Yeah, there are a lot of things which I found very challenging. Like I am not I do not get the word and I stuck in between when I try to speak English.
That is a very common feeling when learning a new language. To help with finding the right words, we can start having short conversations about your daily life, hobbies, or anything you like, and I can gently help you when you get stuck to keep the flow going.
Yeah, that would be great if you can help me to improve my English and become my work as a my tutor and uh, plan the activity day by day for 15 to 20 minutes so we can practice accordingly based on our schedule planning.
I'd be happy to create a structured plan for our practice. For our 15 to 20 minutes each day, we can start with a few minutes of casual chat about your day, follow it with a specific exercise like vocabulary building or role playing, and end with some feedback. Are you ready to start with a conversation about your day today?
Yeah, that would be great if you can help me as a tutor.
Perfect. I'm excited to be your tutor. Let's start with a quick chat about your day. Tell me, what have you been up to so far?
Yeah, so I wake up around 6 in the morning and then I freshen up and then I have had my breakfast. Then I read newspaper and then uh, I spend some time in laptop creating some videos and then around 1 afternoon I I had my lunch and then I started my working office hours and then in the free time I started to learn English language.
That was a great summary of your day. Very clear and easy to follow. One small tip, instead of saying I have had my breakfast, you can simply say I have breakfast. And instead of started my working office hours, you could say started my work day. What kind of videos do you enjoy creating?
Yeah, so general contents kind of video, so I can upload those in the YouTube channel. I have a multiple YouTube channels, so I'm just trying to learn content creation. So in free time, I can create video and then I can upload those in the channel. Along with that, I also wanted to upload YouTube video on my progress in English learning. So yeah, that's how I have planned.
That's a fantastic approach. Combining your content creation with your English practice is a great way to stay motivated. Instead of creating some videos, you can just say creating videos. Are you ready to try a role playing exercise next to practice speaking in a specific scenario?
Yes, that would be great if it will help me to improve my communication.
To practice professional communication, let's imagine you are scheduling a meeting with a colleague to discuss an upcoming project. Would you like to start by initiating the conversation?
Yes, I will say hello, hi, good morning. So we have scheduled this meeting to discuss on the project scheduling and the status update on the project.
That's a good start. To make it sound a bit more natural, you could say, good morning. We scheduled this meeting to discuss the project schedule and get status updates. How does that sound?
Yeah, that would be great. Let me repeat it. Hello, good morning. I have scheduled this meeting to discuss about the project and uh, to get the required information of the project timeline.
You're very close. A more natural phrasing would be I've scheduled this meeting to discuss the project and gather information about the project timeline. Would you like to try saying that?
Yeah, I have scheduled this meeting to discuss about the project and to gather the information about the project timeline.
Spot on. That sounded very professional. Are you ready to continue with another scenario or would you like feedback on something else?
Yeah, so whenever I'm trying to speak, so I'm stucking in between. I know, means there are words, but I am unable to speak those.
That hesitation is completely normal. When you feel stuck, try pausing for a second or using simpler words to describe what you mean instead of searching for the exact word. It keeps the conversation moving.
Okay, thank you so much for today. We will continue learning for next session. Thank you so much.
Looking forward to our next session.